Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to service the reed valves on your 1997 through 2001 Honda CR250. The tools you'll need are 8mm socket, a feeler gauge, plastic scraper, Phillips screwdriver, thread locker, carb cleaner, and shop towels. The parts you will need are a new set of reeds and a new gasket. If you don't have your reeds or gasket yet, you can get yours through the link below. Servicing your reed valve will cost around $20 for OEM parts and take about half an hour to complete. Start with your bike on a stand with the carburetor removed. Remove the carburetor boot mounting bolts, then pull the reed valve assembly and gasket. Make sure to stuff a shop towel in the reed valve housing to keep junk out of your crankcase. Clean the reed valve housing inside and out with a plastic scraper. Inspect the reeds for any obvious damage. If you find any, replace your reeds. Inspect the reed valve body and reed stoppers. If you find a missing screw, you might want to check out your crankcase. If your reeds look good, use your feeler gauge to measure the clearance between the reed ends and the body. The clearance should measure no greater than 0.2 millimeters. These reeds are within spec, but since I don't know when they were serviced last, I'm going to install a new set of pedals. Remove the reed stopper mounting screws, discard the old pedals, and clean the body. Align your new pedals and install the screws with thread locker. I find it easier to thread the screws a few turns than pull each one out individually to apply thread locker. Make sure the thread locker does not get on the pedals. Remove the shop towel from the reed valve housing and install the new reed valve gasket with the tacky side in. Install the reed valve assembly with the tab side facing up. Make sure the clutch guide is mounted to the top left of the assembly. Install the mounting bolts finger tight, then gradually tighten in a crisscross pattern. Make sure to visit FixYourDirtBike.com to learn all about your CR250, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.